All right, good morning. You might think I'm in your average run-of-the-mill hearing clinic right now, but I'm actually sitting outside in my driveway in a Sprinter van. We are with Ears to You this morning. It's a mobile hearing clinic, and I'm joined this morning by Jeff, who's going to help me get my hearing tested. So right now we are just putting in the other earpiece that will eventually play a sound. I'm assuming several sounds.
Well, let's get your hearing tested.
All right, let's do it.
Hey, Mona, you can hear my voice. Excellent. So we're going to start testing your ears now. What's going to happen is you're going to hear some beeps in your ears, one ear at a time. All I want you to do is push that button when you hear the beeps, even if they get very, very quiet.
Oh, hard one there. Okay, heard that.
Excellent. All right, the first portion of the testing is complete. Now, the next test is going to be a man's voice on a recording. He's going to be saying one word at a time, one after the other. All I want you to do is try your best to repeat the words back to me out loud.
Okay. Playground. Daybreak. Northwest.
All right, that one was perfect. Okay, Mona, so all the other tests are looking great.
Okay.
The last test is going to be me testing the nerve of your ear. So I'm going to place something that'll sit just behind this right ear. And all I'm going to ask is that you push the button when you hear the beeps again.
Gotcha.
Okay?
All right, well, I'm going to keep doing my hearing test. And coming up next hour, we're going to show you the results and how you can get your own hearing test done. In the meantime, you can, of course, head online to Ears to You's website and take a closer look at all of this and how you can have this right at your doorstep as well. So we'll be back next hour.